Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change background color here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Changing the background color in Canva is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your design and convey your intended message effectively. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to click on the project that you are working with. If you haven't already, just click on the create a new design. In my case, I'm going to be choosing the YouTube thumbnails because after recording this video, I'm going to upload the files along with the thumbnail for our Deep Laughs YouTube channel. Now, here, all you have to do is put in the image that you wanted. For example, I'm going to put in our photo. I'm going to hover to the left side panel of our dashboard. I'm going to add another video. For example, since it's Halloween, I'm going to add this to that. All right. Basically, by default, Canva offers a white background color. All right. Now, I'm going to add another, say, for example, another video here, maybe a Halloween. This one. Okay. So this is maybe enough. Now, for us to be able to change the background color, click on the background at the very back. You see this background color. You can choose from any color that you wanted. All right. You see, can put in different color like this. You can choose to any color that you desired. If you want to go to add a new wheel color, you can go to the palette. And of course, if you have a specific hex code right here, you can type in here on as well. For example, 459 or for example, 69, you would have all of these information. Yeah, I can add another gradient right here. You see, it changes, right? But the thing is, if you are not satisfied with the background color, you might want to go to the background itself. You see, there's multiple options for you. If you want all results, you can choose. This is not basically changing the color of your background, but instead putting another background if you're not satisfied with how the colors align to your background. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.